You audible? YouTube viewers, is it audible, Kanna? Kindly.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kanna. You audible? Good evening. Kindly join quickly, my dears. Getting late.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my dears. Welcome. Vijay Ravan sir, Wango sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Wango sir.
Hello, sir.
Sriram, live வந்துருதா கண்ணா தெரியுதா?
Yes, sir. What is it?
அந்த லைவ் உடைய லிங்க் தான் அனுப்புறேன். சில பேர் கேட்கலாம். லைவ் உடைய லிங்க் அனுப்பு. வெல்கம். வாங்க.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ideas. Good evening. ஐஸ்வர்யா வாங்கம்மா. வெல்கம்.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, my dear. This fast track class available in both YouTube channel live as well as Zoom. Kindly join quickly, my dears. Both the links I have given. Take on from good evening. Shreya, good evening. Fast track class. Arifa, Fatima, welcome. Jalaluddin, welcome. Yes. The YouTube is also working. It's done. So let's start. It's getting late. Yes, I'll explain. Don't worry. அனைவருக்கும் என் அன்பான வணக்கங்கள். Good evening, my dears. Welcome to Fast Track course. Today I am going to cover financial management as I promised in the class, our regular session. Hope our regular students already wrote all the tests, it seems. Am I right? All of you? Yes. So, based on RTP and MTP for September examination. Voice clarity இருக்கா எப்போ அடிக்குதா கண்ணு
கிளியரா இருக்குங்க சார்.
clear clear yeah is it okay voice clarity இருக்கா
எஸ் சார், கிளியரா இருக்கு சார்.
okay yes YouTube students is it clear kana yeah okay yes financial management quick revision hope all of you got a PDF workbook for the same right question for the same by way of single problem I would like to explain the entire financial management so that all the chapters we are going to cover by way of one single question. Shall we start? So for the benefit of students, Aishwarya, kindly read the question.
Okay, sir. MN Limited is commencing a new project for manufacture of electric toys. The following cost information has been ascertained for annual production of 60,000 units at full capacity. Raw material 20 per unit, direct labor 15, manufacturing overhead variable 15, fixed 10, altogether 25, selling and distribution overhead variable 3, fixed 1, total 4, total cost 64, profit 16, selling price 80. In first year of operation, expected production and sales are 40,000 units and 35,000 units respectively. To assess the need of working capital, the following additional information is available. Stock of raw material 3 months consumption, credit allowable for debtors 1.5 months, credit allowable by creditors 4 months, lag in payment of wages 1 month, lag in payment of overhead off month. Cash in hand and bank is expected to be rupees 60,000. Provision for contingencies is required at 10% of working capital requirement, including that provision. You are required to prepare. So, கொஞ்சம் raise பண்றீங்களா sir? You are required to prepare projected profitability statement, statement of working capital requirement for the first year of operation, debtors are taken at cost, current ratio and quick ratio. If core current assets is rupees 40,000, find MPBF and its current ratio. Assume bank has granted the loan. Prepare statement of income based on marginal costing approach showing EBIT, EBT and EAT separately if tax rate is 40%. Assume 50% if manufacturing overhead is the interest element. Find EPS if number of shares 1 lakh at rupees 10 per share. Why there is a conflict in profits. Find DOL and DFL. If percentage of change in EPS is 20, find percentage of change in sales based on degree of combined leverage. If capital employed is 20 lakhs, find KD. Find ROCE, find WACC, WAC is 25% and find KE. Find debt equity ratio, find interest coverage ratio and comment. Find PV ratio, BEP and MOS. Find fixed asset turnover ratio. Prepare balance sheet. If dividend payout ratio is 30%, find DPS. Company needs additional funds of rupees 5 lakhs, for that KD is 12%. Find it can get it by way of debt or equity. Find revised overall cost of capital of the company.
Small problem, am I right? Go through the question quickly. Just I refer the previous examination questions and current examination RTP and MTP. What all the requirements are there? All those requirements I have compiled together and coined one question, so that number alone change, requirement remains same for the examination. Am I right? So that you can understand all the concept by way of solving one single problem. I am ready. Are you ready? Are you ready, my dears? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the first requirement, my dears?
Projected profitability statement.
Profitability statement.
Profitability statement. Okay. It's the first requirement.
बस सिर्फ हम बता रहे थे
Yeah. First requirement. Statement of computation of profit. Profitability statement is the first requirement. Hope screen is visible. Am I right? Screen is visible, all of you?
visible, sir.
Okay. Profitability statement you are going to prepare. Particulars and amount in rupees. Available information in this question. What is the maximum capacity to produce a product? Capacity of the production available or not? Any capacity of the production available or not, my dears?
Yes.
Not available. Am I right?
40,000
Yes, available. Am I right? First information about your first paragraph.
Full capacity 60,000 units.
Annual capacity available or not? Kindly read the question. Okay, annual capacity 60,000 available or not, my dears?
Available, sir.
So capacity of production comes to 60,000. All right. Whereas, what about the actual production, my dears? How many units they produced?
40,000 units.
How much?
40,000.
40,000 quantity they produced. So company has the capacity. Company has the capacity to produce 60,000, but they have produced only 40,000. But production may not be the sales. They have produced 40,000, out of which sales quantity comes to how much?
35,000.
35,000 is the sales quantity. Therefore, production 40,000, sales 35,000 means what could be the closing stock, my dears?
5,000.
So closing stock comes to 5,000 quantity. Understood? So any doubt in the closing stock computation now?
No, sir.
Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Sales revenue. What about the sales revenue? Selling price of the product is how much?
80.
80 rupees is selling price. 80 into sales quantity is equal to sales revenue. 35,000 is the sales quantity into 80 is equal to how much the sales revenue, my dears?
28 lakhs.
20?
8 lakhs.
28 agana.
Yes, sir.
It's a revenue. Revenue side over. Now we can go for the cost side. With respect to cost, what are the first cost?
Raw material.
Raw material at the rate of per unit cost is how much for raw material?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. So 20 rupees into production quantity. Raw material they are going to incur for the purpose of producing the product. 20 into production quantity. Production quantity 40,000. Per
8
unit
lakhs.
produce one product, you need 20 rupees raw material. Therefore comes to
8 lakhs.
8 lakh is the raw material cost. Understood or not? Similarly,
8 lakhs.
direct labor or wages at the rate of to produce
15.
how much then?
15 rupees.
15 rupees. 15 into number of unit produced 4 lakhs is equal 40,000 is equal to
6 lakhs.
6 lakh.
material cost over labor cost over. What are the next one? What are the next cost available?
Overheads.
Manufacturing overheads.
Overhead is a fixed overhead or variable overhead or what?
Fixed.
Both available.
Both,
Right?
variable and fixed.
So variable manufacturing overhead. How much the variable manufacturing overhead at the rate of
15 rupees. 6 lakhs.
15 rupees into number of unit produced comes to 6 lakhs. Fixed manufacturing overhead at the rate of
25 into 60,000.
25. 25 into
60,000.
because fixed cost always based on the maximum capacity, budgeted capacity. Understood? So 25 into how many units you have to multiply? Maximum capacity of 60,000.
60,000.
Understood or not? So fixed cost, remember student, remember, fixed cost always based on the maximum capacity. Comes to how much?
15 lakhs.
15 lakhs. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
It's a commonly committed mistake. Student used to take 25 into same 35,000 quantity or 40,000 quantity. Neither based on sales quantity nor based on production quantity. Fixed cost always based on maximum capacity.
Maximum capacity.
What are the next available data?
Selling and distribution overheads.
Selling and distribution. Before that, how much the cost of production? Total cost incurred to produce a product, material.
Fixed cost 10 rupees.
Fixed
cost 10
Hmm.
Yeah, fixed cost 10.
cost 10 rupees, sir.
Okay, not 25, 10 rupees. So comes to how much gonna?
6 lakhs.
10 rupees into 6 lakhs. So then what are the cost of production, my dears?
26 lakhs.
Totally
26 lakhs.
26 lakh is the cost of production. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Add opening stock of raw material. I think there is no opening stock, am I right? Less closing stock of raw material. What about the closing stock? How many units?
5,000.
Quantity of closing stock comes to how much?
5,000 units.
5,000 is the closing stock quantity. So total cost of production is 26 lakhs. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This 26 lakhs is for producing how many units? How many units you are producing this period?
40,000.
40,000. For 40,000 quantity, we have incurred 26,000 rupees means closing stock 5,000. Others can you note Manikoppa? 5,000 is the closing stock. What would be the value of the closing stock?
3,25,000.
3,25,000.
3 lakhs.
25,000.
Shall I repeat once again? Are you comfortable? Total cost of production 26 lakhs for producing 40,000 quantity. Therefore, for 5,000 closing stock, what would be the cost of production? Okay, proportionately comes to 3,25,000. So balance comes to how much, Kanna? Lakhs.
2 lakhs 75,000.
20 lakhs.
75,000. 75.
75,000. Got it? Add for the next expenditure, selling expenses, right? In selling expense also, both variable is there as well as fixed is there, right? Variable selling expenses comes to how much? Variable selling expenses at the rate of
3.
3. Selling expenses always based on sales quantity. Look
Sales.
for one thing in this question, capacity is production available, production quantity is available, and sales quantity available. Okay, you should know which one you have to multiply with which quantity. Clear? So fixed
Yes, sir.
cost you have to multiply with the maximum capacity of production. Variable cost you have to multiply with the sales quantity, production quantity, actual production quantity. Whereas selling expenses you have to multiply with the sales quantity. Are you comfortable, my dears?
Yes,
So
sir.
3 into number of quantities sold. How many units they sold? 35. Am I right? 35,000 into 3 is equal to
1,05,000.
1,05,000. Similarly, fixed selling overhead at the rate of what?
1.
1 rupee. Fixed cost always based on budgeted capacity. 1 into maximum production capacity or budgeted capacity comes to 60,000. Am I right?
60,000. Yes, sir.
Therefore, total cost comes to how much? Anna? How much the total cost?
24 lakh 40,000.
40,000.
24 lakh
24 lakh
40,000.
40,000.
24 lakh 40,000. Right? Therefore, profit or loss comes to sales revenue minus total cost is equal to profit. Sales revenue 28 lakhs. Whereas cost 24 lakh 40,000. Therefore, what would be the profit made is
3 lakh
3,60,000.
60,000.
3 lakh.
3,60,000.
So, answer for the first requirement over. Any doubt in the first requirement? All are comfortable? Good response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I didn't
Yes,
get
sir.
the profit part, sir.
Profit part. Sales revenue is available. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
28 lakhs minus total cost we got it 24 lakh 40,000. Sales minus cost is equal to profit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes,
All
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
live students, online students, Zoom students, regular students, crash students, all are comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable, sir.
And Aishwarya, are you comfortable? Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the second requirement ideas? What are the second requirement ideas?
Statement of working capital requirement for the first year of
Uh,
operation. Debtors are taken at cost.
Debtors are taken as cost. So the second requirement is, so I'll repeat, the first requirement, preparation of profitability statement. 3 times appear in the main examination, similar type of question. Okay, 1 time for 6 mark, year 1 alone they have asked. Another 2 times, 2 different years, year 1 and year 2, 2 different or data will be there, year 1 and year 2 info. That question comes for 8 or 10 mark it seems. Clear? Therefore, this type of preparation of profitability statement, the same format kindly apply. So suppose 2 years information available means you have to prepare particulars column, year 1 and year 2. Similarly, 1 more column you have to create. You can complete profit or loss. All are comfortable?
Yes, yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So similar type of problem available in my textbook also. I have given the textbook, year 1, year 2. And we worked out in the regular class also, we worked out year 1 and year 2 based. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We'll go to second requirement. Hope all of you understood the first requirement. Second
Yes,
requirement,
sir.
working capital requirement. Am I right? Shall I go for working capital? Any doubt up to this stage?
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
no doubt.
Okay. Working capital. With respect to estimation of working capital, what minus what is equal to working capital?
Current asset minus current liability.
Current asset
Current
minus
asset minus current
Current
asset.
asset minus current
So, with
liabilities.
respect to estimation of working capital, you know, either by way of total approach or by way of cash cost approach. you can
Cash
do.
cost.
But in this question, specific information is there. What are the specific information? Debtors are taken as
Debtors are taken as cost.
cost. Therefore, you have to solve the problem by way of which approach?
Cost. Cash
Cost.
cost.
Cash cost approach.
Able to follow or not debtors, you have to taken as cost. That info is there. Therefore, we have to solve the problem by way of cash cost approach.
Cash cost.
Suppose for your better understanding, in examination, nothing is specifically mentioned. Okay, then which approach you have to use? The confusion will come. Am I right? So in examination, the 1-line item, prepare profitability statement or what? Prepare working capital requirement. That information alone is available means, then how to identify the concepts you're supposed to learn. If nothing is specifically given, if depreciation element and profit element under condition, depreciation element and profit element both are available in this question, means then better to solve the problem by way of cash cost approach. Suppose it's not available, not possible to compute, then you can solve it only by way of total approach. All are comfortable?
Yes,
All
sir.
of you? So examination, if the question is silent, mean how to choose the method that's supposed to learn. Can you please tell me, if depreciation element alone is available in this question, how to solve the problem?
Total approach.
Total approach. Very good. If profit element alone is available, how to solve the problem?
Total approach.
Total
Total
approach. If the depreciation element and the profit elements are missing, then how to solve the problem?
Total approach.
Total approach.
Very
Total
good.
approach.
If depreciation element and the profit element given in this question are easy, you can compute, then
Cash cost approach.
in that circumstance, under condition, okay, then only you can solve the problem by way of cash cost approach. All are comfortable?
Sir.
Now,
Sir, repeat once more, sir.
if depreciation element and profit element both are available in this question, means available means directly available or computable, okay, clue available in this question, you can identify, then we have to solve the problem by way of cash cost approach. Else, you can solve the problem, you have to solve the problem by way of total approach. Understood, my dears?
Sir.
Now, statement of estimation of working capital requirement under cash cost approach. Under cash cost approach. Screen is visible?
Sir.
Under cash cost approach. Component calculation amount in rupees. What minus what is equal to working capital?
Current asset
Current
minus
asset
current
minus current liabilities.
Very good. So current asset minus current liability is equal to working capital. Under current assets, first raw material. Even examination, the same what line item you have to write: raw material, WAP, finished goods, debtor, any other cash or any other water cash or any other water current asset. Thereafter, you have to go for current liability. The same line item you have to follow. First one, raw material. Any info with respect to raw material, my dears?
20 per unit.
Stock of raw materials, 3
Now.
months consumption.
Raw material related information. Refer the question. Stock of raw material, 3 months consumption available. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have prepared the P&L account. In P&L account, how much we got raw material? In P&L account,
8 lakhs.
we got
8 lakhs.
8 lakh as a raw material. Am I right? Therefore, P&L account represent 1 year information or 1 day information?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. Balance sheet represent 1 day information or 1 year information?
1 day.
1 year.
As on one particular date. Right? 31st December, 31st March, 31st March, 1 day. Therefore, total raw material value, how much is there the P&L account?
6
8
lakhs.
lakhs.
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs. 8 lakhs.
8 lakhs is for 1 year.
For
that is
1 year.
12 months. Am I right or not? This is for the
Yes,
12
sir.
year, 12 months info. Whereas raw materials are there in stock for how many months?
3
3
months.
3
Basic
months.
information given in this question, 3 months. So 12 months raw material is equal to 8 lakhs, means 3 months is equal to how much? So closing
2
stock.
lakhs.
How much?
2 lakhs.
2
2
lakhs.
lakhs.
So closing stock of
2
raw
lakhs.
material, current asset 2 lakhs. All are comfortable?
Yes,
Raw
sir.
material over. Next, I can go for WAP. Any doubt in raw material, my dears? All are
No,
comfortable?
sir.
Nothing.
Okay. Now I can go for WAP. Any info with respect to WAP?
No, sir.
No information. In this question, there is no WAP. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you. So raw material over, WAP over. WAP is not given in this question, therefore over. What is the next one? Finished goods.
Finished goods.
With respect to
Finished
finished goods, any clue is there the finished goods?
Sales 35,000. Closing stock 5,000.
So finished goods,
5,000.
as per P&L account. Are you able to follow or not? In P&L account, closing stock represent closing stock of finished goods only. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So already we worked out value of the closing stock, which is there in the P&L. Normally, how we'll prepare the balance sheet? Closing stock in P&L account, we are going to give the posting in balance sheet current asset. No, same logic. 3,25,000 we are taken from profitability statement. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So raw material over, WAP over, finished goods over. Now we have to go for debtor. Debtor at the cost they said. Am I right? Total cost, how much we got it for the period? Total cost comes to almost 24 lakh.
24 lakh 40,000.
24 lakh 40,000. 24 lakh 40,000 is for 1 year. That is 12 months. So how many months is the debtor they are telling?
1.5 months.
1.5 months is equal to debtor. So 24 lakh 40,000 by 12 into 1.5 comes to how much?
3,05,000.
3,05,000.
305,000. Because this is a cash cost approach, we have taken total cost. Are you able to follow or not? Suppose it's a total approach. The debtor value is supposed to be 24 lakh
24, 20,
sales revenue. Debtor value is 28 lakhs.
28 lakhs.
12 into 1.5 you have to take. Are you able to follow or not? Instead of 24 lakh 40,000, in case of total approach, we have to take the total sales value of 28 lakhs. Therefore, 28 lakhs divided by 12 into 1.5 is equal to total approach. Whereas your cash cost approach, we have taken 24 lakh 40,000 divided by 12 into 1.5. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Good. So raw material over, WAP over, finished goods over, debtor over. Any other current assets, prepaid expenses or cash, anything is available?
Cash on hand.
Cash in hand at bank. 60,000.
Cash given in this question. If ready-made data is there in this question, you have to write given. 60,000 agana.
Yes, sir.
Any prepaid expenses available, my dears? Any prepaid expenses? No, am I right? Therefore, current asset over. How much the total current asset?
8,90,000.
All of you check it up. 8 lakhs.
90,000. 8,90,000. 8,90,000.
8,90,000. So with this, current asset over. Any doubt in current asset?
No, sir.
Now, shall I go for current liability? Current
Yes, sir.
current liability is equal to working capital. Now we are going for current liability. Under the current liability, sundry creditors. Any info for sundry creditors?
4 months.
How many months?
4 months.
4 months they are taking. Yeah, credit allowed by the creditors comes to 4 months. With respect to creditors, how much the total raw material consumption?
28 lakhs.
It's a raw material consumption. Am I right or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In addition to that, closing stock of raw material available or not?
Sir.
How much the closing stock of raw material?
3,25,000.
Closing stock of, that is the finished goods. 3,25,000 is the finished goods. No? Am I right? It's a closing stock of finished goods. In current asset, raw material represent closing stock of raw material. Am I right or not? Current asset, raw material is the first item. Am I right? How much? 2 lakhs represent closing stock of raw material. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Always shouldn't use to get the confusion between closing stock of raw material and the closing stock of finished goods. Please be careful. Am I right? We are preparing working capital, my dears. Working capital represent current asset minus current liability. In current asset, whatever you are written, whatever you are writing, everything is a closing item only. Am I right or not? Current asset is a balance sheet item. So raw material, WAP, finished goods, debtor represent what? Everything closing stock of raw material, closing stock of WAP, closing stock of finished goods, closing debtor, and closing cash in hand. Are you able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Suryam. Therefore, total raw material comes to how much? Total raw material comes to how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Total raw material, I'll repeat once again. Raw material consumed comes to 28 lakhs. Am I right? Utilize pannadhu. Consumed for the purpose of producing the product. Am I right or not? Plus
Yes, sir.
closing stock, untouched raw material as it is available, 2 lakhs. Am I right or not? So 28 lakhs raw material utilized for the purpose of producing the product. That raw material become fully finished goods. Am I right? And the raw material as it is, which is there in the godown, 2 lakhs. Therefore, total raw material purchase comes to 30 lakhs. Are you able to follow or not? You know, production budget, budgetary control. Raw material consumption, add closing stock, less opening stock is equal to raw material purchase. Am I right or not? Here there is no opening stock. Raw material consumption, add closing stock is equal to raw material purchase. It's a purchase quantity of raw material. Are you able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Out of purchase only sundry creditors will come. Am I right? Therefore, 30 lakhs is a 1 year raw material. How many months you have to take the raw material for outstanding period sundry creditors? 4 months.
4
4
months.
months.
4 months. 4 months.
The creditors comes to 4 months. So 30 lakhs is for 12 months.
Sir,
Whereas 4 months how much?
sir,
10
sales தானே சார் 28 lakhs.
Enappa?
சேல்ஸ் தானே 28 lakhs. ரா மெட்டீரியல் கன்சியூம் எப்படி 28 lakhs வரும்?
Sales எடுத்துட்டேனா?
ஆமா சார்
8 lakhs you have to
ரா
take.
மெட்டீரியல் 8 lakhs தான் சார்.
Yeah, sorry, Kana. Not 28 lakhs. 8 lakhs, Kana. Next line item. Yeah, raw material consumed 8 lakhs. That's Aishwarya Mundrudiya. Raw material consumed 8 lakhs. Am I right? In P&L account, kindly refer. Yeah, raw material consumption 8 lakhs, Kana. 8 lakhs. Plus closing stock of raw material which is there in the balance sheet, 2 lakhs, Kana.
Yes, sir.
2 lakhs. Therefore, total raw material comes to how much purchase?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Okay. 10 lakhs is for 12 months, whereas 4 months sundry creditors comes to how much? Thank you.
3,33,333.
3,33,333.
333.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty? Shall I go to the next one? So, sundry creditors over. What are the
Sir,
next one?
still I didn't get how you got 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Very good. Now, consumption purida kanna. As per the P&L account, we took total raw material consumption. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It's the raw material consumption amount. Okay.
8 lakhs rupees.
Plus in balance sheet, current asset, raw material represent closing stock of raw material. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So consumed raw material plus closing stock of raw material, total is equal to total purchase. Raw material consumption plus raw material closing stock is equal to raw material purchase.
The closing stock raw material, where it is given?
Not where it is given. We have computed, Kanna. 8 lakh is the total consumption for 12 months. 3 months is the closing stock. That info available in this question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Raw material is there in for stock for 3 months period. Available or not?
Yes, sir.
So we have computed closing stock of raw material.
Okay.
Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, total raw material purchase comes to 10 lakhs. That is for the 12 months period. 4 months as a sundry creditors. Comes to 3,33,000. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The difficulty?
No, sir. Now
Correct.
clear.
Yeah. So sundry creditors over. What are the next one? Any outstanding is there, my dears?
Provision for contingencies is required at 10% of working capital
I'm
requirement.
talking about outstanding. Outstanding.
Lag in payment of wages.
Payment of wages. Time lag in payment of wages. Yeah.
Sorry.
So outstanding wages. Total wages as per the P&L account, how much, Kanna? 6 lakhs above.
6 lakhs, sir.
6 lakhs. Posting is apparent, 6 lakh is the total wages. This is for 1 month. This is for 1 year. Am I right? But 12 months wages is 6 lakhs. How many months are outstanding, Kanna?
1 month.
1 month comes to how much?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000 is the outstanding wages. Any other any other outstanding is available, my dears?
Overheads.
Overheads.
Overhead. Next. Outstanding overhead. What about the outstanding overhead? How many months?
Half month.
Half month. Right? So they are given outstanding overhead. All the overhead, half month outstanding. Am I right? So what all the overheads are there?
Variable.
variable
Variable.
manufacturing
lakhs.
overhead,
Fixed.
fixed manufacturing overhead.
Variable.
Similarly, variable selling overhead, fixed selling overhead. Clear? They said all overhead half months outstanding. Am I right or not, my dears?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, how much the variable manufacturing overhead? Kindly refer the P&L and tell.
6 lakhs.
Variable
6
manufacturing
lakhs, sir.
overhead
6
6 lakhs.
lakhs.
6 lakhs.
Fixed manufacturing overhead 6 lakhs. Variable selling expense 105,000 and fixed 60,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So variable manufacturing overhead 6 lakhs. Fixed manufacturing overhead is also 6 lakhs. Variable selling expense how much?
1,05,000.
1,05,000 and fixed manufacturing selling overhead
60,000.
60,000.
60,000, sir.
Total overhead comes to how much? Total overhead comes to how much?
13 lakh 65.
13,65,000.
13,65,000. This is for 1 year. Am I right? 12 months.
Sir.
How many months outstanding? 0.5
Half month. Yes, sir.
into 0.5 is equal to outstanding.
56,875.
870.
56,000.
875.
875. Check it up, all of you. 56,875. That's all, no?
Yes, sir.
Total
Kani.
current liability. Mute பண்ணிட்டு பேசுறாங்க. Total current liability comes to
4,40,208.
ஐஸ்வர்யா சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அதனால எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணி போட்டேன். 3,33,333 plus 50,000 plus 56,875 comes to
4,40,208.
4,40,000
208.
208. So working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Total current asset we got it 8,90,000. Total current liability 4,40,208. Therefore, working capital comes to how much, Nuras?
4,49,790.
4,49,792.
4,49,792. Add contingency or safety margin. Anything given in this question?
10% of working capital.
Contingency agana?
Yes, sir.
10%.
Contingency or safety margin enona perukla. Okay. So how much percentage?
10%.
10%.
10% on what?
Working capital.
Capital requirement.
Required amount of working capital. Yeah. You should not
Yes.
apply 10% on 4,49,792. After adding the safety margin or contingency only, required amount of working capital will come. It's a commonly committed mistake from the student side. So please be careful. This required amount of working capital 100 means out of which 10% is equal to contingency. Am I right? This is 100% means contingency is a 10%. Therefore, working capital should be how much percentage? Remain 90%.
90%.
90 plus 10 is equal to 100. So 90% is equal to 4,49,792 means 10% is how much? 100% is how much?
4,99,769.
49,000.
Total
99,769.
4,99,769. Whereas safety margin comes to
49,970.
977. Yeah. So required amount of working capital under cash cost approach. All are comfortable? Any difficulty, my dears?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Online students, live students, all are comfortable?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Fatima,
Yes, sir.
Jalaluddin, Lokesh, Samuel. Next polama.
Yes, sir.
So 2 requirements over. Am I right? Totally how many requirements?
2 total 20.
Total 20.
20 requirements. Out of this 2 requirements only over. Am I right? Small problem.
Yes.
So
Very small problem.
with respect to requirement of working capital, cash cost approach is more important. Okay. Now we'll go for the third requirement. What are the third requirement?
Current
Current ratio and quick ratio.
Current ratio and quick ratio. Formula for the current ratio. Current asset divided by current liability. How much the current asset we got a total current asset comes to
8,90,000.
8,90,000 divided by current liabilities
4,40,208.
4,40,208. Therefore, current ratio comes to
2.0.
2.02.
2 times.
2.02
2.
is to 1. Okay, 2.02 is to 1. Similarly, quick ratio represents current asset minus stock divided by current liability. In examination, many of them committing mistake in the quick ratio. Can you please tell me how much the numerator current asset minus stock, so that you can find overall committing mistake? First try so that you can understand which mistake you are going to do. How much the current asset minus stock, all of you?
8 lakh minus 3,25,000.
So
5,65,000.
9,000.
I need an answer so that I can verify overall telling the wrong answer. Nuras, what is the answer? Mamta, what is the answer? Try so that you can identify which mistake you are doing. You should not commit the same mistake in exam. Sriram, Damodaran, fast, Lalita,
3,65,000.
365. Any other answer? Rakesh, Manimanan sir,
3,65,000, sir.
Samuel, Lokesh. Try. So the answer is what? Nuras, what about the answer?
1.28, sir.
No, answer for my question. What's the
5,65,000.
565? Okay.
3,65,000.
So 8,90,000. Stock represent what? Stock represent raw material also stock, WAP also stock, finished goods also stock. Everything is inventory, no? Refer accounting standard 2. What is called inventory? Raw material plus WAP and finished goods. All the three are called inventory. Am I right? Therefore, you have to remove 8,90,000 minus all the stock. 2 lakh stock as well as 3,25,000. Therefore, how much the numerator can now?
3,65,000.
Is it right, all of you? 3,65,000? 55, 65 only. Okay, 3,65,000. Good, Samuel. Sri Durga. Good. Sai Durga. Good. Keep it up. You have to remove all the stock. So, what are the answer, my dears? Participate. Current asset divided by current liability comes to how much?
0.83.
3, sir.
0.83:1.
83 Dagana.
Yes, sir.
0.83 is to 1.
To 1.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
In general, student committing mistake. Current asset when a stock means they will consider only the closing stock they are considering. That is what finished goods they are considering. All the stock you have to take. Okay. In current asset, raw material represent closing stock of raw material. WAP represent closing stock of WAP. Finished goods represent closing stock of finished goods. All the three items are called inventory. All the three items you have to remove from the current asset. Then only can get the quick assets, also called liquid assets. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Sai Durga, Purinjada. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Now, fourth requirement. What are the fourth requirement?
If core current asset is 40,000, find MPBF and its current ratio. Assume bank has granted the loan.
Okay. Now, we have to go for MPBF. So before that, you know what are the prudent current asset made as? What is the prudent current ratio made as?
Current
0.2:1.
So sometimes is the current asset and current liability favorable or not? The question may ask. Current asset is favorable or not? Yes, favorable. Current liability favorable, current ratio, current quick ratio or not?
No.
Current ratio is favorable or not? Yes.
Yes.
Quick ratio is favorable or not?
No.
No.
No. Because prudent current ratio is 2:1.
Just one.
And prudent quick ratio is
1:1.
1:1.
It is less than 1:1. Then quick ratio is not viable. Are you able to follow or not? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, can you please tell me current ratio 2.2:1 favorable, whereas quick ratio 0.83:1 not favorable. Therefore, what action company has to do? That's the next question. That's also a famous question. Are you able to follow or not? In this circumstance, because of current ratio is high and the quick ratio is less means the reason, the difference because of what? Stock only. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat once again? Current asset 8,90,000, whereas quick asset 3,65,000. Am I right or not? The difference is because of closing stock. Therefore, company is having more closing stock. If the company is having more closing stock, company has to do.
Increase sales.
So, FSN analysis. Company should do FSN analysis. First exam question, this is 3 mark question. They ask for 3 marks. They ask you to compute current ratio. They ask you to compute quick ratio. Then what action company has to do? That's the question they asked once. Okay, current ratio favorable, quick ratio not favorable. So difference between current ratio and quick ratio is because of stock. If the stock is more, am I right or not? Company is having more stock. Company is having more stock means what action company has to do? FSN. What is called the FSN? Fast moving, slow moving, non-moving stock analysis they have to do. Are you able to follow or not? FSN represent fast moving, slow moving, non-moving. So company should identify what are all the fast moving item, what are all the slow moving item, what are all the non-moving item. Accordingly, they have to take the proper necessary internal control. Are you able to follow or not? Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, next, we'll go for the 4th requirement. What is the 4th requirement now? MPBF that you said, am I right? MPBF. My dear student, you know various types of loans. Am I right? We have come across various loans. If I am going to get the loan for the purpose of continuing my higher education, that loan is called what?
Yes,
All
sir.
you can text at least. Okay, YouTube le text pannalam. If I am going to get the loan for the purpose of continuing my higher education, then it is called what?
Education loan.
Educational loan. If I am going to get the loan for the purpose of construction of house property, that loan is called what?
Housing loan.
Housing loan. Am I right or not? If I am going to get the loan for the purpose of purchasing the household appliance, that loan is called what? Personal loan. Am I right? So, you know various types of loan. Similarly, if I am going to get the loan for the purpose of working capital ke liye, if I am going to get the loan, that loan is called MPBF. Are you comfortable or not? So MPBF is nothing but one working. Understood, my dears?
Yes, sir.
MPBF is for maximum permissible bank finance. Maximum permissible bank finance is called MPBF. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next. With respect to maximum permissible bank finance, Tandon Committee's recommendation you have to follow. With respect to Tandon Committee recommendation, method 1, method 2, method 3. 3 methods are there. Recommendation given by the Tandon Committee. Method 1 represent formula for the method 1. MPBF is equal to
75%.
75% of
Current
Current
asset.
asset.
Current asset minus current liabilities. Whereas method 2, MPBF is equal to 75% of current assets
Minus.
minus the full current liability. 70% of current assets minus current liability. Whereas method 3, 75% of fluctuating current assets minus current liability. Understood? Fluctuating current asset represent total current asset minus core current asset. Total current asset minus core current asset. If nothing is specifically given in this question, in examination you have to compute all the 3 methods. Clear? All the 3 methods you have to compute. But in this problem, they ask you to compute which method, my dears? Third method. Core current asset given in this question. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Kindly check it up.
44.
Assume core current asset.
40,000.
40,000 is a core current asset. Am I right or not? So in core current asset, what will mean the core current asset you are going to use in which formula? Method, in which method? Third method only. Are you able to follow? So you are going to compute third method. So total current asset is how much?
90,000.
Developer?
8,90,000.
8 lakh.
90,000.
90,000.
MPBF comes under which topic? Very good. MPBF comes under the working capital only. So 8,90,000. Maximum permissible bank finance comes under the working capital because this loan is for the purpose of working capital. So working capital comes under what? The first topic. That's what working capital management topic. Okay. So 8,90,000 minus core current asset. How much given in this question?
40,000.
40,000.
40,000.
8,50,000.
So out of which 70% we have to take. Am I right? 70% on core current asset comes to how much?
5,95,000.
5,95,000 minus current liability. How much the current liability, my dears?
4,40,000.
Current liability.
48.
What ma?
4,40,000. 208.
4,40,208. So after subtracting 4,40,208, how much the MPBF?
1,54,792.
1,54,790.
92.
All of you understood MPBF? Shall I repeat once again for MPBF? Are you comfortable?
And one more time, sir.
Yeah, I'll repeat one more time. MPBF stands for maximum permissible bank finance. This is the loan. How much the bank can give for the purpose of working capital. That's called maximum permissible bank finance. It's a working capital loan. Before granting the loan, the bank has to satisfy the condition. Those conditions formed called what are that called? Tandem committee's recommendation. So recommendation given by the tandem committee. So tandem committee's recommendation, method 1, method 2, method 3 methods are there. Method 1 formula, 70% of working capital, nothing but 70% of current asset minus current liability. Method 2, MPBF is equal to the loan amount is equal to 70% of current assets minus entire current liability. Whereas in method 3, formula is MPBF is equal to 78% on fluctuating current asset minus current liability. Fluctuating current asset represents total current asset minus core current asset is called fluctuating current asset. In this problem, total current asset 8,90,000, core current asset 40,000 given in this question, out of which you have to take 78% less total current liability. So telling the answer is not correct.
Total current asset தப்பா இருக்க மாதிரி.
97,292.
1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
97,292.
Take it up and tell all of you compute and properly. Euros. Use a good
75%.
calculator. 1 lakh.
75% of
97,292, sir.
Fight first check it up. 8,90,000 minus 40,000 out of is 70% all over.
37,500.
37,500.
இதுவே தப்பா போட்டுருக்காங்களா? சரி 6 lakh
37,500.
500.
Okay, 6 lakhs,
57,500.
37,500, right? And for
Sir,
minus
6,67,500, no, sir.
6,37,500.
6 lakh
8,90,000
37,500.
is 75%, 6,65,000, 67,500.
right, Sriram.
Because
No,
Double
ಇಲ್ಲ sir,
6
That's it.
6,30,500 sir.
the 8,90,000 minus 40 is 8,50,000. In that 75% only, no, sir. So
8
6
lakh
lakh
90 minus 4 current asset 40 given in this question.
40,000. Yes, sir.
8 lakh 90 minus 40, 8 lakh 50,000.
50,000. In
Out
that
of this only,
75%.
6
So
lakh
6,37,500.
37,500.
37.
Nura என்ன ஆச்சு உனக்கு அடி வாங்க போறேன் 6,37,500.
500.
Nura's kindly change the calculator or change the operator. Minus total current liability.
4,40,000.
208 check பண்ணிக்கோ.
Yes, sir.
97,292.
1,97,292.
1 lakh
97,292.
97,292 வடக்கனா.
92.
All of you kindly work out so that you can answer correct and check பண்ண முடியும். 197,292. Is it correct or not? All of you kindly check it up.
Yes, sir.
Sai Durga தூங்காம check பண்ணி சொல்லு சீக்கிரம் சொல்லு.
Sir,
Yes sir.
I want to tell you something.
Yeah please sir.
Actually, from May 24, this working capital calculation and patent committee எல்லாம் கிடையாது சார் சிலபஸ்ல.
கிடையாது சார். ஆனா MTP ல கேக்குறான். இதோட 3 நாள்ட்டே ரிமூவ் பண்ணிருக்கான் சார். Thereafter they also. Therefore safer side better you can learn MPBF also sir.
Okay, sir.
ஏன்னா ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் இல்லாம இருக்கு இன்னொரு மெட்டீரியல் இருக்கு.
Oh.
It's happening for the last 5 years இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு.
இல்ல before May 24 it was there.
I'm talking about last 5 years the same problem is happening. One material remove பண்றான் another material include பண்றான். Even after removing the same one article repeat பண்ணா திரும்ப question கேட்டான்.
Okay,
So
okay.
for the safer side better they can learn MPBF. After all small concept only.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Thank you. Thank you.
You are in the bank, you know very well MPBS concept in it. But
Yes,
instead
sir.
of that for 2 marks or 3 marks they should not lose. That's right. Simple.
Yes, yes.
Anyway they are calculating working capital. Out of it 70% only out of applying. Nothing wrong
Okay.
for learning MPBF also sir.
Correct, sir. Okay.
Thank you sir. Shall I go to the next one my dears?
Yes, sir.
For my memory, not for 6 years I think. 6 years ஆவே 3 நாள்ட்டே ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல்ல. That's why whether removed or not it's the biggest question mark. The student should not get the surprise in examination hall. That's right. Okay. Now shall I go to the next one my dears?
Yes, sir.
In that one more requirement is also there. Am I right? MPBF and its current ratio also. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So current ratio also they ask in the same one. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. What is the original current asset?
8,90,000.
8 lakh 90. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Current liability
4,40,208.
4 lakh 40,208. Further we will compute working capital. What is the current ratio? Now you know the concept of MPBF, maximum permissible bank finance. They are given, assume the banker has given the loan. Am I right or not? Granted the loan. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
once the loan has been granted, how much the loan amount we got it MPBS as per MPBF?
1,97,292.
Once the loan has been granted, then our cash balance, bank balance going to get increased. Am I right? Bank has given the loan means our current asset going to get increased. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
in current asset, 1,97,292 you have to add. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, once loan has given means current liability also going to get increased. Am I right? Loan amount also.
Yes, sir.
So numerator and denominator you have to add same MPBF amount. Understood my dears?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
Numerator 10,87,292.
Yeah. Revised current ratio how much now?
Same it will be so.
Multiplication addition same வராது கண்ணா. What is the revised current ratio my dears?
1.71.
1.71.
1.71 is to 1.
1.
Don't cancel 197 numerator as the denominator. It's addition, not multiplication, Noras. Please be careful.
Yes, sir.
Please. A glass.
Shall I go to the next one, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Now the requirement number
5.
5.
Prepare statement of income based on marginal costing approach showing EBIT, EBT, and EAT separately.
Here, merging marginal costing with the working capital. Statement of computation of profit
Thank you.
as per marginal costing approach. Okay. Particulars and amount. Underneath. Selling price of the product is how much, my dears?
80 rupees.
Less variable cost. Okay. What about the variable cost? Material cost, direct material how much?
15.
Material
15
cost,
rupees, 6 lakh rupees.
direct labor,
Direct labor 6 lakhs.
per unit cost, material 80 rupees per unit.
Raw material is 20 and direct labor is
20 rupees.
Direct material 20.
Direct material 20 dakana. Material cost 20 rupees. Okay.
labor is 15.
Labor 15.
15.
Then
Variable manufacturing 15.
variable manufacturing overhead how much? 15 upon. Okay.
15.
Then variable selling overhead
3.
3 rupees.
Rupees.
Okay. So sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution per unit. How much the contribution per unit? Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution.
27.
27.
Multiply with the sales quantity. How many units they sold?
35,000.
35,000 upon.
45,000.
9,45,000.
Therefore, our contribution, our total contribution comes to 27 into 35,000 is equal to total contribution.
9,45,000.
9,45,000.
Yes, sir.
Less fixed cost. In that fixed cost, என்னென்ன fixed cost இருக்கு? Fixed manufacturing cost is that, manufacturing overhead. How much the fixed manufacturing overhead?
60,000. 6 lakhs. 10.
எவ்வளவு ரூபாப்பா? 6 lakhs அப்பா.
10 will take, sir.
6 lakhs.
Already working P&L இருக்கே check பண்ணுவோம். Is there in the P&L itself?
So we'll take direct total amount.
Yeah, total amount. Yeah, now we are multiplied on total one.
385. 385.
In P&L account.
6 lakhs.
எவ்வளவுப்பா? 6 lakhs இருக்கா இல்லையா?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So manufacturing over fixed comes to 6 lakhs. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
6 lakhs.
Third cost. Okay.
In that 6 lakhs, they said 50% is equal to what?
Pin plus lava.
Specific information is there in this question. 50% is equal to what?
Manufacturing overhead is interest element.
50% is equal to interest element. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Less out of which 50% is equal to 3 lakh is the interest element. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So remaining fixed manufacturing overhead comes to how much? Other than interest comes to?
3.
I'll repeat. Total fixed manufacturing overhead 6 lakhs. Out of which 50% is equal to interest element. So remaining 50% is equal to other manufacturing overhead alone. How much the manufacturing overhead alone? 3 lakhs. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then fixed selling overhead is how much?
60,000.
60,000. So contribution minus fixed cost is equal to EBIT. EBIT stands for earnings before
Earnings
interest.
before interest and tax.
How much the earnings before interest and tax, my dear?
5,85,000.
585. Because in this format, interest element you have to show separately. Yeah. Less
Yes,
interest.
sir.
That's the reason interest we are showing. We are removing interest from here. We are showing it here separately. How much the interest? 3 lakhs.
3
Am I right?
lakhs.
Balance
2 lakh.
equal to
Earnings before tax.
earnings before tax. How much the earnings before tax?
2,85,000.
2 lakh 85. Any tax element? Tax percentage?
Tax is
given?
40%.
Okay. Less tax at the rate of 40%.
1,14,000.
1,14,000.
Lakh and 14,000.
EAT.
Balance equal to earnings after tax.
After tax.
How much earnings after tax?
71,000.
1 lakh,
71,000.
lakh and 71,000 is the earnings after tax. So requirement of the question is what? Profitability statement. EBIT.
EBIT, EBT, and EAT.
Everything is over, my dears.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with respect to income statement as per marginal costing approach? In marginal costing approach, variable cost separately and fixed cost separately have to show. Sales minus variable cost is called a contribution. After reducing the fixed cost, you'll get earnings before interest and tax. Thereafter, you know the format. EBIT less interest is equal to EBT. EBT minus tax is equal to earnings after tax. EAT. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Lokesh Raja, Puriyadara, Gavnikriya. What are the next
Sir.
requirement?
EPS.
Requirement number?
6.
6.
Sixth requirement. We have to go for earning per share. EPS get earning per share. You know the formula for earning per share?
Net profit divided by number of shares.
EPS is equal to earning per share is equal to earnings
Available for equity shareholders.
available to equity shareholders
Available to
Divided
equity.
divided by
Divided by
Weighted average of
Number of equity shares.
number of equity shares.
number of equity shares. Earnings available to equity shareholders here 1,71,000. Am I right? Because there is no preference dividend. Earnings after tax itself, earnings available to equity shareholders. So by number of equity shares, how much can you info?
1 lakh.
10,000. Number of equity
Number of
shares.
shares 10 at the rate of 10 rupees. Therefore, 1 lakh is number of shares found 1 lakh at the rate of 10 rupees. So number of shares given in this question 1 lakh itself. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Therefore, earning per share comes to how much?
1.171.
Rupees 71.
71.
1.71. 1.71 times or percentage.
Rupees, sir.
Rupees 1.71.
0.71.
We are not going to put for rupees half more reduce பண்ணுவாங்க example. So rupees 1.71 per share. Per share price comes to earning per share comes to 1 rupee 71 paise. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, reduction in 1 mark. So sixth requirement over. What is the seventh requirement?
Conflict in profits.
Conflict in profit. So with respect to conflict in profit, listen carefully. Profit as per the original statement. You have prepared the profitability statement. First requirement is profitability statement. Right?
Yes, sir.
How much the profit we got it?
3,60,000.
3,60,000.
3,60,000. Whereas marginal costing approach, how much the profit we got it?
5,85,000.
Marginal costing approach. How much the profit we got in?
5,85,000.
No.
1,71,000.
No.
71.
2,85,000. Why?
EBT you have to take, huh?
Because in the first statement you have not reduced taxation. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Statement 1, first put only first requirement. Sales minus all the costs equal to profit we got it. Am I right?
Yes,
We
sir.
have not removed any profit. We have not removed any tax. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So that profit is the before considering tax. Therefore, here also you have to take before considering tax. Are you able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, whereas marginal costing 2,80,000.
5,000.
Difference comes to how much? Why difference is how much? How much the difference?
75,000.
Difference comes to
75,000.
75,000.
75,000.
75,000. Why there is a difference? That's what they're asking. Am I right or not?
2,82,000 தானே சார் அந்த 2,85,000 இல்ல 2,82,000 தானே சார்
585 minus 3 lakh is equal to 2,85,000.
ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார்
Yeah. Okay. Good. Therefore, difference comes to 75,000. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
That's what they're asking. Why there is a difference? Are you able to follow or not? The difference is because of valuation of closing stock. Remember AS2, valuation of closing stock. With respect to closing stock, we have considered valuation of a closing stock. We have considered the first statement. If you see, this is a closing stock valuation. Am I right or not? In requirement number 1, we have valued the closing stock. How much you valued? 40,000 for 40,000 quantity. 26 lakh is the total cost. Means 5,000 closing stock. How much the value? You got it 3,25,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in this 3,25,000, fixed manufacturing cost is also included. Am I right or not? 26 lakhs is inclusive of the fixed cost. Am I right or not? Nice response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
26 lakhs inclusive of the what? Fixed cost.
Fixed cost.
Therefore, while doing the valuation of closing stock of finished goods, here we have considered fixed cost. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because of we have included the fixed cost, the difference in profit to the extent of 15,000 comes. So 78,000 comes. Whereas if you see here, we have taken everything variable cost, sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
here directly we took one sales quantity. Sales quantity represent what? After adjusting closing stock only sales quantity. Production quantity 40,000. Closing stock 5,000. Balance only sales quantity. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So because valuation of inventory, here we are considering fixed cost, whereas marginal costing we are not considering fixed cost. Marginal cost you have to consider only the variable cost element alone. We are not going to consider fixed cost element. That's the reason difference in profit has come. It's purely based on accounting standard. Are you able to follow or not? So simple logic. Valuation of inventory with respect to valuation of closing stock. In marginal costing, you have to consider only variable cost element alone. Whereas in absorption costing, all the total cost we'll consider. Are you able to follow my ideas? Shall I go to the next requirement?
Yes, sir.
The difference is because of valuation of closing stock. That you have to. Okay. Now, what are the next requirement? Vijayaraman sir, புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா?
Okay, sir.
Find DOL and DFL.
Requirement number 8, am I right? Yeah. DOL and
DFL.
DOL stand for degree of operating leverage. Formula for degree of operating leverage is
Contribution upon
contribution
EBIT.
by
Divided by
EBIT. That's the reason we prepared previous statement. Contribution by EBIT. How much the total contribution we got it? 9,45,000.
9,45,000.
9,45,000. Whereas earning before interest and tax comes to
5,85,000.
how much the EBIT?
5,85,000.
5,85,000. Rakesh, Gavnikirani,
1.615.
1.615
5.
times 1.61 or 1.62 times. Without any mention in times. Any doubt in DOL?
No, sir.
Similarly, DFL, degree of financial leverage.
EBIT by EBT.
Formula for degree of financial leverage?
EBIT upon EBT.
EBIT divided by
EBIT.
EBT. Good, Durga. Nice participation. Keep it up. Others also.
2.05 times.
EBIT comes to 5,85,000. EBT how much?
2,85,000.
85,000.
2,85,000.
85,000.
2.05 times.
0.05 times.
2.05 times. Got it, my dears? So, eighth requirement over. Am I right?
So question number 7, I understood. But in exam point of view, how do we find out whether we have to calculate this kind?
In the sense,
How do we identify from the statement whether we have to mention this or not?
why there is a conflict, they ask in profit. Am I right? First, you have to compare both the profit. While comparing both the profit, same bench you have to take. The first one, profitability statement before considering taxation. What are the profit?
Yes, sir.
Same manner in marginal costing before taxation, what are the profit is there? So then how much the difference you have to identify? The difference is because of valuation of stock, because nothing else we have not introduced in this question. Right or not? Everything as it is you have taken except valuation of inventory. Even real scenario also, marginal costing approach as well as absorption costing approach. If you see the marginal costing topic, the difference between marginal costing and absorption costing profit is purely because of valuation of inventory. Understand? Because in absorption costing, both variable and fixed costs are form part of the product cost. Whereas in marginal costing, only variable costs alone form part of the product cost. Product cost alone we have to consider for the purpose of inventory valuation as per accounting standard 2. Therefore, in absorption costing, fixed costs form part of inventory valuation, whereas marginal costing, variable cost alone will form part of inventory valuation. Because of difference in fixed cost, the valuation of inventory, difference comes in the profitability statement also. Understood, my dear? Shall I go to the next one? What are the next requirement?
Percentage of
If percentage of change in EPS is 20, find percentage change in sales based on degree of combined leverage, ECL.
Based on DCL. First, you have to compute DCL. DCL is equal to DOL into
DFL.
DFL. Degree of operating leverage and the degree of financial leverage is equal to degree of combined leverage. DOL 1.615 times. DFL 2.05 times. Therefore, DCL comes from
3.311
3.3.
times.
3.3.
3.311 times.
311 or 32 times. 311 times. Okay. Now, what is the alternative formula for DCL?
Contribution by
Percentage change in
EBT.
sales
Contribution.
divided by percentage change in EBIT.
Contribution divided by EBT.
No, based on percentage, because percentage
Percentage of
percentage of
change
Percentage
change
change in
Percentage.
EPS, percentage change in sales.
numerator is what? All of you check it up.
EPS.
EPS, percentage change in EPS.
Degree of combined leverage is equal to percentage of changing EPS divided by
Percentage change in sales.
sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All of
sir.
you. So answer for the same 3.311 is equal to percentage of change in EPS only they ask them, right?
Yes, sir. Change in sales.
இது கொடுத்துருக்கான்ப்பா.
EPS கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 20.
Okay, change கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா sales?
Change in sales numerator
Percentage
20
of change in EPS 20. Okay. Percentage of change in EPS given in this question. that is 20. Divided by percentage of change in sales comes to how much? Aishwarya, formula pathitiyam.
6.02.
Answer 6.0.
6.02.
Check it up, all of you. 6.02,
02, sir.
6.04.
0.04, sir.
04, sir.
6.04. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
03 or 04. Very good. The percentage, am I right? Shall I go to the next requirement?
Yes, sir.
What is the next requirement?
Find KD, capital employed 20
If
lakhs.
capital employed is 20 lakhs, find KD.
Capital employed 20 lakhs. Okay. Now, listen here. KD represent what? Cost of
Cost of debenture.
Debt.
there are interest. Okay, what? Okay, cost of debt. Yeah. Now, you know, equity share capital and debt fund total is called capital employed. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Debt fund and equity fund is equal to capital employed. How much the capital employed given in this question?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. Already we got equity share at the time of EPS computation.
10 lakhs.
1 lakh shares at the rate of 10 rupees given. Am I right or not?
Sir.
Therefore, equity share capital comes to how much total?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
Lakhs.
Or it be around.
Yes, sir.
The time of requirement of EPS, they are given 1 lakh shares at the rate of 10 rupees. So, equity share capital 10 lakhs, total capital employed 20 lakhs. Therefore, what would be the debt to fund balancing figure?
10 lakhs.
Remaining 10 lakhs. Understood, my dears? We got debt fund. Now, KD is equal to interest into 100 minus tax rate or 1 minus tax rate divided by NP, net process of issue, into 100. Am I right? Interest, we got it out of fixed manufacturing over again. 50% is equal to interest. That info available.
3
Am I right?
lakhs.
3 lakh is the interest. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Interest 3 lakhs into 100 minus tax rate, how much percentage?
40%.
Percentage.
40%.
Divided by debt to fund 10 lakhs. Am I right? That it's a net profit. Debt fund 10 lakhs into 100. Therefore, how much KD, my dears? My dear KDs, find KD.
18%, sir.
18%.
18%.
18% attend ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
18% is the KD. Got it? All of you got it or not?
Sir.
Shall I go to the next one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
What next?
Find return on capital.
Find ROCE.
Requirement number
11.
50% we crossed out of 20 questions. 11th requirement, return on capital employed. What is the formula for return on capital employed?
EBIT by capital employed into 100.
EBIT divided by capital employed into 100. EBIT, how much we got it?
5,85,000.
5,85,000.
5,85,000. Yeah. Capital employed 20 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Into
29.25%.
5%.
25%.
25%. So return on capital employed. Easy or not?
Sir.
Next requirement number
12. If WACC is 25%, find KE.
K. WACC given. What is called a WACC? Weighted average cost of capital. Nothing but overall capital.
Average.
Okay?
Yep.
Overall cost of capital. So statement of computation of weighted average cost of capital, WACC. Nothing but overall cost of capital. Same format you can apply so that easy for you to solve. Source of fund. Cost. Weightage. And KO percentage. We are having
Equity and dividend.
equity fund and debt fund. The total is called WACC, WACC. Answer for the WACC given in this question. How much can
25%.
25%.
25.
25%. Now, we are on debt fund. So weightage, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2?
10 lakh by
10 lakhs, 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs, 10 lakhs.
10 lakh by 20 lakhs, nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Am I right or not? Now, interest into 100 minus tax rate, KD already we got it. Am I right? How much the KD we got it?
18%.
18%. Already tax adjusted, you should not adjust again. Are you with me or not? That itself, KD itself already we got it after adjusting tax only. 18 into 1 by 2 is equal to how much?
9.
Calculator and 18 into 1 by 2, 9%. Therefore, balance is equal to how much? 25 minus 9 is equal to
16%.
16%. But answer is not 16%. The requirement of the question, cost of equity. Right? This column is called cost of equity.
Yes, sir.
So how to compute 16 into 2 comes to
32%.
32%. So the requirement of the question, KE is equal to 32%. Many students in examination, they come to the mistake. They took 16%. 16% is not the KE. 32% is the KE. Are you able to follow or not? Jayaravan sir, Purjadam, Manivandan sir, Purjadam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the next requirement?
And debt equity ratio.
13th requirement. Am I right? Debt equity ratio. Formula for debt equity ratio, long-term debt divided by equity. Debt to 10 lakhs, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Equity also 10 lakhs.
1.
Therefore, answer is 1:1, equal. Clear? 1:1 is the debt equity ratio. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Interest coverage ratio.
14th requirement, what?
Find interest coverage ratio and comment.
Interest coverage ratio.
EBIT
Formula
by
for
interest.
formula for interest coverage ratio is
EBIT by interest.
EBIT divided by
Interest.
Stress.
EBIT divided by interest. EBIT evallu
5,85,000.
interest 3 lakhs நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா?
3
Ah,
lakhs.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1.95.
0.95.
1.95
5 times.
1.95 times.
5 times.
1.95. All are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
And the comment also they ask, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a favorable interest coverage ratio or not favorable? It's favorable or unfavorable?
Favorable.
Unfavorable.
Higher the interest coverage ratio is preferable. Higher the interest coverage ratio is preferable. Therefore, this interest coverage ratio not favorable. Are you able to follow or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
We are having assume your income is equal to 100 lakhs. Okay. Out of which you took 1 lakh is the interest you are paying. Therefore, interest coverage ratio is how much?
10.
10
10
times you can cover,
10
right
times.
or not?
Yes, sir.
10 times you can cover. Suppose your income is equal to 10 lakhs, out of which 5 lakhs you are paying interest.
2.
Therefore,
2.
2. Upper higher the interest coverage is lower is preferable.
Higher, sir.
So,
Higher.
out of 10 lakhs you are paying 5 lakhs interest. Then what? Substantially you are paying interest itself. Right? How the company will run? Right or not? Therefore, higher the interest coverage ratio is preferable. Are you able to follow or not?
Sir.
Next. Shall I go to next one, my dears?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the answer for the comment is what? Not favorable, because higher the interest coverage ratio only preferable.
Question 15.
Now 15th question.
Find PV ratio, BEP and MOS,
Marginal
break-even point and margin of safety.
So PV ratio. This is for costing purpose. Right? PV ratio. You know what the formula for PV ratio? Contribution divided by sales into 100. How much the contribution per unit? Based on the previous working.
Per unit.
9,45,000.
I get a question of contribution per unit is how much?
27.
27. Selling price how much?
80.
80.
Therefore, contribution to sales into 100 is equal to PV ratio comes to
33.75.
33.7.
75 plus
23
33. Double 3.
Okay, 33.75%. Right now?
Yes, sir.
What are the next ratio? PV ratio next negative.
BEP.
BEP.
BEP,
Break-even point.
fixed cost divided by PV ratio. How much the total fixed cost, fixed manufacturing cost as well as fixed selling cost?
6,60,000.
Even interest you can consider as a fixed cost here, right or not? All the costs we can cover. So total fixed cost
9,60,000.
right now?
6,60,000.
60,000.
You can consider interest also a fixed cost.
Yes.
Then hold over the formula.
6,60,000.
6,60,000, sir.
60,000.
Sir.
3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 3 lakhs. Am I right or not?
Sir. 6,60,000.
Right term. Aishwarya, is it right? PV ratio
33.75.
75%. Therefore, what is the answer?
19,55,556.
556. The denominator is PV ratio, answer in terms of rupees, BEP in rupees. The denominator is the contribution per unit, answer in terms of quantity will come. Are you able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat. Denominator contribution per unit means answer in terms of quantity. Denominator PV ratio means answer in terms of value. What is the next requirement?
Margin of safety.
MOS, margin of safety is equal to profit divided by PV ratio. We can take profit before tax. How much the profit before tax? You can consider profit after tax also, our opinion only. So, your choice. Which one you want, profit after tax or profit before tax?
EBIT.
Two options, not EBIT and all. Either
After
profit before
tax will take,
Profit
sir.
before tax.
profit before tax, how much, my dears?
Oh, EBT 285.
2,85,000.
2 lakh
85,000.
85,000. PV ratio 33. Because these are all internal decision making purpose. So we can appraise how much we are getting. Okay. If you can give the note, profit after tax we are considering. That is also nothing wrong. Okay. Your choice on that. What is the answer?
8,44,444 rupees.
8,44,000.
444.
Got it? Any difficulty?
Sir, total sales minus web sales போட்டாலும் இதா இருக்கும் sir.
Annama?
Total
Total-
sales minus BEP sales.
Yes, you can put. Yes. Let's go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
What are the next requirement?
Fixed asset turnover ratio.
இது எல்லா requirement over ஆகணும் அதுல.
Yes, sir.
Requirement number
16.
what kana?
Fixed asset turnover ratio.
Fixed asset turnover ratio. Formula for fixed asset turnover ratio. Turnover divided by
Turnover
divided by fixed asset.
Fixed assets.
Turnover no sales. Okay, turnover divided by fixed asset. How much turnover, total turnover?
28 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs. For that we need fixed assets. Am I right or not? So we have to compute fixed assets. Now, for the purpose of computing fixed assets, we can prepare balance sheet. Okay. Assets and liabilities. Fixed assets, current assets, current liability, capital employed, equity share capital, and debt fund, debentures or debt fund. Equity share capital 10 lakhs. Debt fund 10 lakhs. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Based on the first requirement, working capital, current liability. How much the current liability, the first requirement?
4,40,208. 208.
Current asset made is
8,90,000.
Huh?
8,90,000.
8,90,000. So balance is equal to fixed asset. Am I right or not?
15,50,208. 15,50,208.
15,50,208.
Yes, sir.
Check panikola.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Based
sir.
on this, we got fixed asset comes to 15,50,208.
Ratio is equal to 1.81.
1.81
81 times.
times. Yeah, 1.81 times. All of you got it? 1.81 times.
Yes, sir.
Samuel, good one. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
So,
For the next requirement,
Done, sir.
prepare balance sheet.
Yes, sir. Or something.
that's what we did.
Dividend payout ratio is 30%.
Balance sheet over. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Balance sheet போடாம அதே போட முடியாது. Next, what are the next one?
Dividend payout ratio 30%. Find DPS.
Dividend payout ratio given, you have to compute DPS.
DPS, sir.
DPS.
Formula for DPS, dividend per share is equal to
DPS into DPS.
EPS into goods. Dividend payout ratio. EPS into dividend payout ratio. Earning per share is how much?
1.71.
Nappa?
1.71.
1.71. Dividend payout ratio, how much given?
30%.
30%.
0.8.
Comes to
0.513.
rupees. Right? Dividend per share in rupees.
Yes, sir.
Got it, my dears? 51
Sir.
paise per share. What is the next requirement?
Company needs additional fund of 5.
19th requirement. What now?
Company needs additional fund of 5 lakh. For that, KD it's 12%.
Hmm.
Find it can get it by way of debt or equity.
Okay. Now, additional fund, how much they need?
5 lakh.
Whether that fund we can get it by way of equity or
Equity.
debt fund. Right? That's what the requirement. So equity or debt, which fund is preferable? You know the concept of trading on equity. The trading on equity arises only if return on capital employed
Greater than
be greater than
KD.
KD. Return on capital employed should be greater than KD. If return on capital employed is greater than KD, then we can prefer which fund? If the condition satisfied, then we can depend on debt fund. Or else you have to go with the equity fund. In this question, return on capital employed, how much given in this question?
29.25%.
Already we got it, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Already put on return on capital employed.
29.25.
29.5.
11th item.
Okay. Yeah, 29.25. Already we got it. Yes. So return on capital employed, 29.25. Whereas KD
12%.
for this loan, 12%.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, better we can go with what?
Debt fund.
Debt fund is preferable. Simple logic. I am borrowing the fund. For that, I have to pay 12% interest. Okay, Noor?
Yes,
Out
sir.
of 12% interest I borrowed, if I am going to invest in my company, I can get 29% return, 29.25% return. Therefore, preferable or not, I can borrow the fund, I can invest the fund. So that I can pay 12% balance equal to my profit. Agida, understood or not?
Sir.
So that concept is called trading on equity. The trading on equity is a frequently asked direct theory question like this. What next?
Find revised overall cost of capital of the company.
Statement of computation of revised weighted average cost of capital. Source of fund,
Cost weightage.
cost, weightage, and KO percentage. Source of fund, equity share capital, debt fund,
Loan.
and have additional debt. Okay, additional debt fund. Because we are going to get by way of debt additional 5 lakhs by way of debt only. Right? We can consider as additional debt fund. Equity share capital 10 lakhs, current debt 10 lakhs, additional debt to 5 lakhs. Am I right? Therefore, 10 by
20.
weightage 25, 10 by 25, 5 by 25. KE already we got it. How much cost of equity?
32%.
32%. Original KD
18.
18 agana.
Sir.
18%.
18.
Sir, answer 22.4%, sir.
Sir, check pannu, sir. Whereas now,
Yes, sir.
12%.
100 minus tax for
very good, Sriram.
12 million.
12 interest percent given. 12 into
Oh, sorry.
FPD. 100 minus tax. How much?
யானைக்கு அடி சறுக்கும்.
அப்ப யானை அணிங்க. 100 minus tax எவ்வளவு போச்சுக்கண்ணா? 40% எவ்வளவு? 40% தான்.
7.2%.
7.2.
7.2. So 32 into 10 by 25 is equal to Aish Puridama.
Yes, sir.
12.8, sir.
1.8.
12.8. Okay. 18 into 10 by 25.
7.2.
7.2. Next.
1.44, sir.
21.44.
21.44%.
Yes, sir.
WAC. Revised back is 21.44%. அவ்வளவுதானப்பா? வேற ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
Sir.
So all the requirement. Any doubt in this revised back?
No.
Yes, sir.
All of you completed? Nice response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
YouTube students, any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Please explain the points
என்னப்பா?
10, 11, and 12.
என்ன கேக்குற?
10, 11, and 12.
என்ன வேணும் அதுல?
So I don't understand it points.
10th one. If the cost KD or return on capital employed back we are asking, right? 10th requirement, 11th requirement, 12th requirement you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
நீ என்ன கிளாஸ் வெளில போயிட்டியா இல்ல நடத்தி புரியலையா?
சார்
எஸ் கண்ணா.
இப்போ டெட்டு ரெண்டாவது டெட்டுக்கு மட்டும் டாக்ஸ் கழிக்கிறீங்க, முதல்ல டெட்டு 12% ஏன் டாக்ஸ் கழிக்கல?
இல்லக்கண்ணா, கேடி ஆல்ரெடி டாக்ஸ் போக தான் வந்திருக்கு. அந்த ஃபைண்ட் கேடி போட்டோம் இல்லையா? அதுல
ஆமா சார், ஆமா ஆமா கரெக்ட்.
3% அண்டர் மைனஸ் டாக்ஸ் ரேட் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம் சார். அதனால
சரி சரி சரி.
ஓகே
ஓகே சார்.
The other person asked 10th and 11 and 12. இங்க இருக்கு 10th.
கேடி தான் 10th.
இதான் 10th. Okay. The 10th requirement is the 10th requirement. We have to compute KD. Formula for KD, cost of debt is interest into 100 minus tax rate divided by NP. That you have to express in terms of percentage, therefore multiply with the 100. Interest element which is given in this question, out of 3 lakh 50% is out of 6 lakhs 50% is equal to interest. Therefore 3 lakhs 100 minus tax rate is 40%. So remaining 60% on 3 lakh is equal to interest into 100 minus tax rate numerator. Denominator, net profits of issue, nothing but how much of fund loan I am getting is 10 lakhs. So denominator 10 lakhs. Therefore 3 lakhs into 60%, it will be 10 lakh into 100 is equal to 18%. It's the cost of debt. Any doubt, my dear? Question get or Purida? Yaar kettaduppa?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Shall I go to next one? Next one, return on capital employed, the requirement. The requirement is return on capital employed. Formula for return on capital employed is EBIT divided by capital employed into 100. EBIT, already in the previous statement, we got it, 5,85,000. Capital employed also, we got it. Debt fund and equity fund is equal to capital employed 20 lakhs. Therefore, what are the return on capital employed? EBIT divided by capital employed into 100 is equal to 29.25%. They ask you to compute the next requirement, weighted average cost of capital. With respect to weighted average, they ask you to compute cost of equity, it seems in this question. Answer for the weighted average cost of capital, 25%. Debt 18%. Weightage 1/2, therefore 9%. Equity balancing figure 16. Therefore, cost of equity is equal to 16 into 2 is equal to 32%. So all the three requirements understood, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt, my dears? There are doubt irukka? Now, for law paper announcement, kindly listen. Where the doubt irukanga?
No, sir.
I'll come back again. With respect to law paper, chapter wise, what to study. That we are going to conduct one session based on students' request. We have put the poll for the student side. Based on the students' request, chapter wise, what are all the area we have to prepare for the coming examination. That session we are going to conduct soon. Dates and all I'll announce in the WhatsApp group itself. All of you having joined in CA student community, am I right? CA student community irukku. All of you joined that community, am I right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give the posting. So when I'm going to conduct dates and all, I'll give the posting in the CA student community itself. That's a permanent community, okay, WhatsApp community, so that we'll get the frequent details with respect to our programs and all. So the first requirement from student side is chapter wise what to study in law paper that we are going to conduct. Second requirement, costing marathon session we are going to conduct to cover all the areas. Costing marathon session we are going to conduct soon by myself. Next, similarly, auditing marathon also we are going to conduct soon. Auditing paper marathon session. Okay. Next, taxation also we are going to conduct marathon session. The discussion is going on with the faculties. So taxation also we are going to conduct marathon session. These are all as of now we have planned. SM also in pipeline. SM chapter wise what to study. That session also we are going to conduct soon. All those soon. 90% or everything is over. Just we have to get the confirmation dates alone. All those dates based on students' convenience. I am going to post soon. Post the dates and the timing alone soon. The link also I will post it soon in the CA student community. So in addition to that, I'll repeat law chapter wise was what to study. Next one is what? Strategic management chapter wise, what and all you have to cover, areas you're supposed to cover. Costing marathon session, question answer section we are going to solve. Auditing marathon session, taxation marathon session we are going to conduct. Okay. If you want any other classes also, you can be in the question inform. Is there any special revision available for what? Full detail only. Unmute and talk. Open my back. Capital budgeting you want. Okay, I will help you for capital budgeting. Yes. So these are all the free sessions we are planned. Unless otherwise you participate, what are all the difficulties you need, which one area you need, we are not able to identify. Based on student request only, we can be in the position to frame or able to follow or not. So, வேற ஏதாவது வேணும்னாலும் நீங்க கேளுங்க.
வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் என்ன பேர் சொன்னீங்க?
நான் இதுலயே போட்டிருக்கேனே, ஃபாஸ்ட் ட்ராக் லிங்க். CA ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கம்யூனிட்டின்னு இருக்கும். I will give the link for the same. Okay.
ஓகே ஓகே சார். எஃப்எம்ல இந்த மாதிரி இன்னொரு 5 கொஸ்டின் போட்டோம்னா எக்ஸாம் போய் எழுதலாம் சார் போய்.
ஓகே கண்ணா, போட்னா பண்ணலாம் சார். அதுவும் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
This have been created.
Yes sir.
Even we can add a few more extra.
கொஸ்டினை பார்த்து நீங்க எவ்வளவு ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு தெரியுது.
You have to give the link எல்லாத்தையும். குடி எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம் போறதுக்கு all in one இருந்தா data will be easy to cover. There are numbers alone matters, right? Or you can change any number, they can change, you can manage, right?
Yes sir.
That's what our objective is.
ரொம்ப thanks sir.
Yes sir. Next, in addition to that, we used to conduct a mentorship program, everyone knows. Now, fast track mentorship program we are going to conduct. It's on a payment basis. So fast track mentorship program 5 days for costing, and 3 days for financial, 4 days for financial management. Costing fast track mentorship program going to start from 20th August, 20 to 24, 5 days. August,
Time, sir.
August 20.
Time, sir.
It's a I will explain the mentorship program. Okay. So 5 days mentorship program, 20 to 24. Similarly, financial management, 25 to 4 days, 28. It's a mentorship program. This is not what a high cost and all. Costing mere 200 rupees only. And FM only 150 rupees. Just 150 rupees only. So there's some admission fee more than charge. We are not charging much. So 5 days for financial management, costing paper, and 2 days for financial management. Mentorship program, it's not a class, my dears. Mentorship program represent in the 5 days you have to complete entire syllabus. That's what the task. So what to study we will provide, including the study material we will provide. Within 5 days you have to cover. Okay. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. 5 days can cover material. Every day we'll send the material. Your duty how to cover. Why we are giving material? You may have your own material, am I right? Your own class material, various classes you may have attended. But we are having the past experience. Suppose tomorrow I am asking you to solve material costing or process costing. Everybody going to study different material, am I right? But ultimate aim, you have to attack the main examination, CA examination. So what are all the segment in that particular topic is supposed to cover? Or chapter segment. So process cost mean you have to cover. We'll provide one question and answer based on mere preparation of process account. Thereafter, one question based on normal loss, abnormal gain computation accounting treatment for the same. Then one question you have to cover based on equivalent production FIFO method. One question based on weighted average method. One question is based on equivalent production with the abnormal gain method. With abnormal gain. One question is based on two material based equivalent production. Another question based on inter-process profit, reverse working, decision making. So you have to cover at least 9 probability to solve, complete one particular chapter. Am I right or not? So many students may not aware what are all the inside the chapter, what are all the segment they have to cover. So if I'm going to say tomorrow you have to cover working capital or capital budgeting or material costing or process costing, they will cover whatever they know only. So that we are going to provide one PDF material also. So that in the heading itself, you'll provide NNH, what are all the segment you have to cover, but the question and answer, one sample question and answer like RTP. So that you can study your own paper, your own resource, whatever the notes you're having. Plus you can go through the PDF also and make sure you can cover all the segments or not. Then end of the night, the end of the day, the night you have to write one test also. That too, every chapter you have to write the test. So it may be 10 to 15 minutes test only per chapter. So you have to write all the chapters test. So similarly, second day, third day, fourth day, and fifth day, within 5 days you have to complete. So how? So you have to little fast you have to work out because we are having less number of time. Am I right? So if you are going to go even for the costing paper, 14 chapters are there. You have to write 14 tests, 14 topic-based tests. Plus you have to write again 28% consolidated test. 28% you have to write the test. 4 more tests, console test, and plus 100 mark test also. So totally how many tests you are going to write? 14 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to
19
tests you have to write. Before you go for the examination, you have to complete because this much effort we needed for clearing the examination. Just like that, if you go and write the exam, there is no use. Writing one model exam is equal to avoiding one attempt. We are going to provide the PDF working notes, and we are going to give you the question paper also, and immediately you are going to give the suggested answer for the same. So your duty, you have to prepare, you have to write. Even if you are going to get 0 mark in the test, nothing wrong. You are going to learn new concept, new varieties of the question, or where you are committing the mistake, you can identify, and also you can be the person to increase the speed within the time limit, whether you can complete the exam or not. Time management also, you can be the person to gain. Similarly, for the financial management, same manner, 9 chapters are there, 9 topic-based tests you have to write. Thereafter, 2 consolidation tests you have to write. Thereafter, 1 full mark test you have to write. So totally you have to write 12 tests you have to write, my dears. So if you are going to cover in this fashion, easy for you to clear the examination. Am I right or not? So by way of running the mentorship program itself, you forced to complete all the chapters and revision also, because you are going to write consolidation test as well as undermark test also, so that you can complete the revision. Provided your dedication is important. Clearing CA examination is not a tough job. Who are putting the proper effort, definitely they can clear. So time is the most important thing for us, right or not? You should know how to spend the quality time. Keep on having the book, but not reading properly or not concentrating properly, there is no use at all. So you should know how to spend quality time. For that, you need some push factor. That push factor is called mentorship. I am directly one-to-one basis, I'm going to control the mentorship. Clear? And every day before you go to bed, you have to report also what and all you have stage of completion, what and all you have completed. So that smoothly we have to complete 5 days and 4 days, costing as well as FM 100 marks. Are you able to follow? All
Yes,
of
sir.
you? Next. May I audible, my dears?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, audible.
The next important one, we are conducting is it okay? Yes. We are conducting topic-based test also. You know the importance of writing test. Every chapter separately. I don't want to join mentorship means you can write that chapter-wise test also available. Okay. So chapter-wise is same number of tests only. Same for each and every chapter. Thereafter consolidated test. Thereafter you have to write 100 mark test. That's just for 99 rupees only. Below which we can't afford to reduce. Right? So it's every chapter you have to write the test. For writing test, you need a lot of self-discipline. That's all. Okay. Then regular batch we are going to start for January examination. After completion of September examination, when is the last date for examination, Ganna? September exam?
15th. 15.
September 15th. Okay. So after September 15th.
Sir, with your permission, I am logging out, sir.
Yeah, please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
September 15th, we are going to start regular examination. Regular batch I'm going to start. Okay, on auspicious day, 20th or whatever. I'll announce the date also. It's a Zoom live session. Wherever you may be, you can attend the session. It's for the benefit of office goers, for the benefit of articleship student also. We are going to conduct the session in the night only. 8 o'clock to 10:30 is the 8:30 to 10:30 is the class timing. Sometime extended to 8 to 10:30 also. So roughly 8:30 to 10:30 is the class timing. Daily you are having class. So 1.5 months you may have the costing class and another 1 month for the financial management class. There also every chapter you have to write the test. We are going to provide study material for the same Zoom live session only. Costing and financial management we are going to start from September 3rd week onwards. Clear? And nowhere they are going to conduct the nowhere they are going to conduct the paper based class, right? Subject based class. If at all mean all other academy, you have to join group wise only. Here you can join whatever the paper you are comfortable or not comfortable, that paper alone you can join. So costing we are going to start first from September 3rd week onwards. Thereafter followed by financial management also you are going to start. Clear? So all are enjoyed the session, happy with the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
anything
sir.
if you want to share or any
sir.
doubts you have with respect to exam, you can ask. Any exam related doubt, you can ask now. Live, Zoom live students also, for YouTube live students also, you can text me if you have any doubts. Specific doubt with respect to exam. Already shared the formulas also, am I right? Based on the packet size book, I have shared the formula both for costing as well as financial management. In that packet size book, first half, they are having all past exam question. What and all you have to remember. Those questions and the answers will be there. Second half of the book, you'll have the formula, list of formula, what and all you have to study. Those PDF also is shared with the students. So remember, all the formula should be there in your fingertip. Examination time, only inking time, not thinking time. It's not think, it's not waste your time. You know, based on the past experience, as per the ICA information, more than 80%, more than 85% of the students are attempting only for the 80 marks. Clear? If 100 students are writing the examination, 85 students attempting only for 80 marks. Clear? Therefore, it's a pathetic one, right or wrong? If you are going to attempt for entire 100 marks, clearing with the CA examination, chance of clearing the examination will be high. Because of your poor time management, you are going to attempt only 80 marks. Then what? Out of 80, getting 50 to clear the examination is very difficult. Am I right? Therefore, you have to increase the speed also. To increase the speed, you have to reduce your thinking time. In examination, how to reduce your thinking time? What and all you should not think in the examination. What and all you should memorize. What and all should be there at the fingertip. You have to be well in advance. It should be there at your fingertip. For that, you need a lot of revision. Number of revision is also equally important. So formulas you should not think in the examination hall. Formats you should not think in exam hall. And direct question, short notes question and all you should not think in the examination hall. So those questions alone you have to set aside separately. That's the reason I released the packet size book. Formula separately, format separately, all direct questions. What are all the points? Even number of points also equally important. Am I right or not? One thing you are going to understand the particular question's answer. Another one is number of points. In examination, number of points also equally important. How many points you wrote, accordingly mark will be there. Roughly each point you are going to get half a mark in the exam hall. In the exam. Clear? Therefore, 8 mark question means you are supposed to develop 16 points. 4 mark question you have to supposed to develop 8 points. That's the reason here I have given everything based on the numbers. Am I right or not? Eவ்வளவு points எழுதுங்க number wise கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So those number of points you have to remember. There is no other go at all. I understood, sir, but I am not able to deliver all the points. Mean accordingly, proportionately mark also will get reduced. Therefore, revise properly, and this attempt, make sure this attempt should be your last attempt. All of you. Any other doubts?
The CA community link மட்டும் share பண்ணுங்க sir.
I'll share the CA community link. Okay. The groups like share பண்றேன்.
Okay sir.
YouTube students, Sai Durgala, Comforter Samuel, Lokesh.
Thank you, sir, for the class. It was really helpful.
Hope you enjoyed. The other sections as well, I will post it same. Okay, post in the CA community as well as our.
So you'll be conducting for cost also?
Costing also I'm going to conduct. Yes. Roughly the dates 25, 26. I'll confirm the dates as well as time soon. Okay. Soon I will communicate.
The class is so nice, sir. And
yes.
one more request is the revision class maybe of Sunday is best to us, sir.
Because days are we are nearing. All the faculty were not able to accommodate only in Sunday. That's the problem. Because
Okay,
you're supposed to be there in the study all day nowadays. Am I right or not? So I'll try my level best to put it in Sunday, but I can't accommodate all the faculty only on Sunday. Am I right? That's the reason. I'll try my level best from election. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, packet size book you can get it through post itself somewhere. Okay. You can WhatsApp me. I'll give the details. Hope you enjoyed the session. Any other specific doubt with respect to exam? Kannu? All are happy?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in leverage analysis, how do we approach for the study thing?
How do you approach in in leverage analysis, in segment DOL computation, DFL computation, DCL computation, operating leverage, financial leverage, and the combined leverage, and the combination of all they will ask. Then, with respect to financial leverage, without considering preference dividend, with considering preference dividend, accordingly, what formula will change. So, without considering preference dividend, what is the formula? With considering, what is the formula? DFL formula, you know. What is the formula for DFL? EBIT, EBT. DFL, degree of financial leverage.
EBIT.
Preference dividend is available means EBIT divided by EBT minus preference dividend into 100 minus tax rate divided by
1 minus tax.
Okay, so you have to know the preference dividend based formula. Are you with me or not? EBIT divided by EBT minus preference dividend divided by 100 minus tax rate. Am I right or not? That formula I have to remember. And accordingly, they'll ask with respect to change in, okay, change in EPS, change in EBIT, change in sales based on that revised formula is supposed to have. Clear? So these are all the various formula you have to remember to solve leverage analysis. Then based on the reverse working problem you have to work out, income statement they will ask. DFL will be there, variable cost will be there. You have to compare few elements will be there, many elements, missing elements will be there. by way of DFL or by way of DOL or by way of TCL, you have to do the reverse working, you have to compute the remaining elements. So this type of segment is supposed to have, before you are going to approach any topic, what all the segments are there in that particular topic, you have to identify. Each and every segment, at least 2 problems you have to work out. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Even the
Oh,
mentorship PDF also you are going to provide with the heading only. What all the segments are there? Every chapter in a segments. In that, we are going to solve 1 or 2 questions.
So that cost of capital and cost of debenture, that KD and KE, there are so many formulas, no, sir. So is there like we can reduce the
Cost of?
in cost of capital, cost of equity, there are around 15 or 16
That's right.
formulas
I
are
have
there.
given the consolidated formula list PDF. If you want, I will send it 1 more time also. Those formulas also alone more than sufficient.
Okay.
FM as a whole, what all the formula I have to study, including the cost of capital formula I have given, those formulas alone more than sufficient. Okay. So first you have to restrict your resource.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other doubts? So anybody want to ask doubts in personal also? I have given the number. Am I right? Phone number is there, it seems. Otherwise, note it down my number 98416 61405. You can WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp. I'll repeat 98416 61405. Okay. Whoever missed out the session, it's available in the YouTube channel also. You can watch in the YouTube channel. Okay. Share it with your friends also. All are happy with the session?
Thank you, sir.
All are
Yes,
happy?
sir, very much.
Thank you so much, my dears. Again, we'll meet in costing session. Okay.
Yes,
Costing
sir.
extended
Bye,
section
sir.
will be there. Costing because the costing is 100 mark paper. Extended section will be there. Please be prepared. Okay. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much, my dear. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Ganesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
You too, students. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Mani, sir.
Yes.